Hey guys, Mike, IronTrap Garage, and we are working on my 34 Cabriolet today. So in the last video we got this roll bar or B-pillar tie finished up and welded in, and it helped a lot with the strength of the B-pillars, but it also allows us to mount trunk hinges in the car. So this car originally was a rumble seat. It's actually kind of funny. They took out the original rumble seat hinges and they actually used Sears roller bearings. They're probably for a garage door in the back. I'll drop a clip of that here. But this deck lid was a rumble seat deck lid, so there is no bolts in the top to mount the hinge portion to them. So first I need to work on this deck lid and take some things off that are rumble seat specific, and then work on bolting the hinges on. I have to put some riv nuts into the inner sheet metal so we can bolt this on. And then once this is bolted on, we can put it in the car and figure out where our pads need to go. We're gonna have to weld some bracketry to the B-pillar tie to mount these, and then hopefully by the end of the video, we'll have a working trunk. So let's get started. Got a bunch of work to do.
I had it all the way down.
Should I do a little bit more? Or?
No.
Oh.
You only do it once.
What's that?
If it sticks, it's good. That looked like good resistance.
Yeah.
Just if you thread that thing through too far, you'll actually pull the threads out of the insert.
Oh, okay.
I'm surprised, they're pretty strong. I could always throw a tack on it too if you were scared.
I'm not scared. Are you scared?
I don't give a shit. It won't be my trunk flying off on the highway. Maybe to run a tap this way. That bracket sits way up there.
It's not quite all the way.
That's fine, I can see what's going on. That piece is supposed to be...
This post is supposed to be up here.
Yeah.
So my thought was...
Couldn't we put it up?
There's nothing.
Could we make a Could we make something that goes between the pinch?
It's up above that. I don't even know how it would go originally. I can just get my finger through there, which is more than this distance. So these probably actually bolted to the back of the wood.
Yeah.
That goes up here.
Well then, can we do the same thing? We have to can you put it up? Yeah, from above there. Yeah, just like that. Okay. If that works, that's doable. That's just welding a standoff with bolt holes off the tubing.
Yeah.
And it's not that far away, so you don't have to worry about it being not strong enough if we use it, box it out or however you want to do it.
I see the bolts sitting on the floor over there.
Yep.
I just want to make sure I can get a bolt in it.
This is how I did the 3-window. I got both of them on, I hung those, and then you just see where you fill in the gap off the
Roll bar.
support bar.
Yeah. They're gonna be at like, oh, you know what? We can actually mount them like that and go flat, Matt.
What's that?
We can mount them like that. Come off the bottom.
Yep. Yeah, we'll come off.
I don't know what I was thinking, putting it straight up and down. If you come flat, there's more throw in it then
Yes,
too.
correct. Yeah. We'll probably have something that comes down and goes forward to keep it supported. But,
Yeah.
yes, that would.
We can put it in the press brake too and just put a little, like a 30-degree bend.
Yeah, you just want something to come up on both sides of the tubing, so
Yeah.
it's not just a plate hanging off there, because that'll just bend over
Yeah.
time as you open it. So, but yeah, I mean, we could build something off that.
Start it up. Lit. Start it up. This is lit.
So driver's side modified. I had to drill a second hole because this bolt would have been into the corner of the bend, drilled us another hole, tapped it. I'm gonna pop this in, bolt, and we're gonna clamp it in place and do the same modifications to the passenger side. Clamp that in place, and I want to make sure the trunk opens and closes as it should. And we'll go from there. Then once it's in place, everything works, I'll pull out the welder, and yes, I am going to weld it. Matt's in Australia right now, so I'll have to do some welding. Don't watch.
Oh, I'm watching.
It's not gonna be very pretty.
You're gonna have an audience here.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, you got the camera on, right?
Oh, of course I do.
Go. Ready?
Yeah, right. All she got right there.
That's pretty much it, yep.
That's actually not too bad. Go ahead and hinge it down.
Yeah, is that corner clearing there?
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, so we now have functional trunk. Look at that. There is a little tight spot right there. I probably just need to do a little grinding to the inside of the brackets that I made. I can pull the trunk out and do some grinding in there. But other than that, opens and shuts nicely. It fits pretty well. Had to do a little bit of hammer work on this back corner of the trunk to get it to sit down in, but we have a functional trunk. It's super exciting. I've been like knocking the trunk lid out, taking it off and filling the back of the car with stuff and emptying it between videos. Giant pain in the butt. Now opens nicely. The only thing, two things we need to figure out is I need to put the trunk stay on the side. That when you open the trunk, it like falls in and holds the trunk open. I didn't really think about that when I bought all the parts to do this video, so I need to order one of them. And then we also need to figure out a latch / handle for the back. There's nothing currently, so it's another hurdle we need to figure out. But in the meantime, have a trunk. It now functions. Instead of just sitting here, it does open and close. So that's a huge step. So the next video, we're probably doing this, will be at my shop, refreshing the flathead that I have for this. I've been working on that in the background, so that's almost finished up. So that'll be the next update. Then hopefully we'll bring it here, put it on the run stand, run it, check it, and then stab it into the car to make some mounts. So we got a bunch of stuff coming up on this video, or on this car. We're getting close to the point where we're ready to take it apart, start blasting things and cleaning things up, painting it, putting it back together, and then doing like wiring and that kind of stuff. So super excited. We're making good headway on this thing. Hopefully I'll be able to drive it this year. We'll see. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you later.